Hi, welcome to Gyan Race. In this video, you would be able to learn how does cloud computing works. In my previous tutorial, have explained what is cloud computing and how to use it. Here we'll discuss how does cloud computing work. In addition, what are the types of cloud computing, how we can deploy and further use it. So let's begin. Cloud computing can be made and deployed in two ways. One is a deployment model. That means what is the type of cloud you would like to access or provide. Second is the service model, which means is how you want to access the cloud, right? So there is a difference between deployment model and service model. Let's get into in detail each of the model and see how they work. Well, deployment model. It's actually a type of cloud computing. What type of cloud platform we would like to provide for our users? Well, there are three types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and third one is hybrid cloud. As its naming convention, public clouds offered by the third-party providers. They are available to anyone over the public internet. They scale quickly and they are very much convenient. There are various options available for end users. There are some famous public clouds which are already running in market is Google, AWS, Azure and so many. Well, wherein the private cloud offers to selected users over the internet or private internal network, or you can say intranet. It provides greater security controls. However, private network or private cloud platform are usually built for corporate or an organization purpose to use the content internally. It requires traditional data center staffing and maintenance. Well, as its name clear that hybrid cloud is a combination of private and public cloud, right? So it combines both shared security responsibilities. It helps maintain tighter controls over sensitive data and processes. Well, one point which I would like to mention here is the private cloud is also called on-premise cloud. Sort of naming convention is used in industry market. So private cloud, on-premise cloud are both same. Let's learn how does a cloud computing service model works. Well, actually service model is related to accessing the contents from end user point of view. There are three types of service model available in market. They are application based, platform based and infrastructure based. They interact with any device like servers, desktops, laptops, mobile phone and tablets. I know it's little bit confusing. Let's get into more deeper. So service model majorly has three parts as I explained. So it has a software as a service component, it has a platform as a service component, and third one is a infrastructure as a service component. We'll talk first IaaS, infrastructure as a service component first, as IaaS contains the basic building blocks for cloud IT. It typically provides access to networking features, computers, virtual or dedicated hardware, and data storage spaces. Infrastructure as a service gives you the highest level of flexibility and management control over your IT resources. It is most similar to the existing IT resources with which many IT departments and developers are familiar. Now, let's talk about platform as a service. The second component removes the need for you to manage underlying infrastructure, usually hardware and operating system, and it allows you to focus on deployment and management of your application. This helps you be more efficient, as you do not need to worry about resource procurement, capacity planning, software maintenance, patching, or any of the other undifferentiated heavy lifting involved in running your applications. Well, those two. Then third one is a software as a service. So SaaS provides you a complete product that is run and managed by a service provider. In most cases, people referring SaaS are referring to the end user application, such as web-based mails. With a SaaS offering, you do not have to think about how the software or service maintained or the underlying infrastructure is managed. You only need to think about how you will use that particular software. Well, with the definitions, it's clear the underlying three major services. The major service provider for infrastructure as service is AWS, Azure. They do have a platform which allows you to use virtual machine, and you can configure, manage all capacities, both planning and memory usage, and so on. So that's a platform provided by infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service, a best example is Docker and Kubernetes, which allows you to manage orchestration of your software controlling. You do not need to be bothered how much memory, RAM, and capacity is need to be required to running those software. That headache, it depends on infrastructure as service. Well, third, SaaS is the most influencing and common useful service method. Usually Google, Salesforce, Tableau, these all are the software which allows used by end users. Here you are not bothered how much memory, hardware, RAM, and so on is required. In addition, how does this software will be controlled and monitored? Only the thing is, we need to know and use the software part. Well, in 8 minutes we learned how to use cloud computing, what are the types of cloud computing. Please watch my further tutorials to know in detail major cloud computing providers like AWS and Azure, how they are working and functioning. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.